How are you today?
Yes,
How are you, baby?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, very good. And can you tell me what did you do today?
Uh, I go to school,
Oh, you go to school. So what did you do at school?
I study.
Oh, study. All right. So me and I would like to share that I also have a student. Actually, we had a class before you, and
Yes,
she also had a dog. And you know what? The name of her dog is also Lucky.
yeah,
All right, so you have the same name of a dog. Oh, I heard your dog. Is that your dog?
yes,
All right. Okay, so me and did you eat already?
yes.
Okay, and what did you eat for tonight?
Uh, I I eat
What did you
I
eat?
eat uh mm, I eat dinner
Oh, dinner. So what did you eat for dinner?
is uh fish
Oh,
and meat.
fish. Oh, meat and fish. How about vegetables? Did you eat vegetables tonight?
Yes,
Oh, yes. So what kind of vegetable is that?
it
Hello.
is
Carrots?
yes,
Your brother is at your back. Is that your brother?
yes,
Oh, how old is your brother, by the way? I forgot. How old is your brother, baby?
is 6 years old.
Oh, he is 6 years old. Okay, so now, Mian, are you ready to start with our class?
Yeah.
Wait, excuse me.
Đấy. Nãy nòng bí vậy má.
All right. Okay, so ready to start with our class, baby?
Yes,
Okay, so teacher is going to share you the screen and just give me a few seconds, okay?
yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, so now, Mian, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so as your teacher, last teacher said that you are on the exercise number 9. Okay, so your turn to tell. Look at the picture below. Tell your tutor how the weather is in each day. So, but before that, baby, I would like to ask, how was your weather today?
Yes, hot.
Oh, it's hot, very, very hot, or not so much? Very hot?
Is is very hot
Oh, it's
and
very hot.
raining.
Oh, and it's rainy. Okay, very good. So now, look at the picture below. Tell your tutor how the weather is in each day. Okay, so you are going to answer this one based on the picture. Okay, baby?
Yes.
All right. Okay, wait for me. Wait for me. All right, I'm so sorry. My kids are here, so I just need to put them on the crib. Okay, so now, for example, it is sunny and hot in Tokyo, which is this one. Okay, how about in Taipei?
Uh, yes,
Okay, how
yes,
about in Taipei?
yes, hot,
Okay, it's hot and
sunny.
all right. Hot and sunny in Taipei?
Is hot and rainy.
Okay, right. Okay, how about in New York?
Uh, it is cool and
It's cold. How about it's cold and windy? How about in London?
uh, it is cool and rainy.
Rainy. How about in Taipei?
Yes, it is hot and rainy.
Okay, hot and rainy. How about in Bangkok?
It is hot and rainy. Sunny.
Mm-hmm. Uh, rainy and sunny in Bangkok?
Rainy.
Okay, hot and very, very hot and rainy. How about in Seoul? How about in Seoul?
It, it is hot and cloudy.
All right, it is hot and cloudy. All right, okay, very good, Mian. So you are done with this lesson. So congratulations. So now we are going to talk about the next lesson, okay, which is on the lesson 12. So here we have the what foods do you like? Okay, so how about you, baby? What food do you like? Okay, how about you, Mian? What food do you like?
Uh, I I like vegetable.
Vegetables. Okay, can you say it again? Vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay, so what kind of vegetable is that?
Mm, is
Okay, what kind of vegetable?
is dinner.
Ah, all right. Okay. All right. So now, baby, let's have the learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about foods. Okay. So learn how to
Yes.
talk about what you like and you don't like. So first, let's have the exercise number 1. Warm up. Listen
One
and yes, warm up. Listen and repeat these words with your tutor. So first we have pizza.
pizza.
Okay, next we have coffee.
Coffee.
Okay, next pasta.
Pasta.
Okay, next one tea.
Pea.
Okay, next is ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, next is salad.
Salad.
Okay, and the next one is chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay, next is beer.
Beer.
Okay, very good. All right, so now, do you also like to eat pizza?
Is no.
Okay, how about coffee?
No.
You know, also, how about pasta?
Yes.
Oh, yes. How about tea?
Yes.
Okay, next, how about ice cream?
Mm, yes.
Okay, so for that ice cream, what flavor do you like?
Is
What flavor do you like?
Is coconut.
Coconut flavor? Oh, wow. All right. Okay, so now we also have salad.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And the last two, I mean, the next one is chocolate. Yes,
Yes.
also? So when was
Yeah.
the last time you eat chocolate, baby? Again, when was the last time you eat chocolate?
Is mm,
A day ago, an hour ago, this morning, this afternoon, yesterday, last week, last Saturday, last month.
it afternoon.
Oh, this afternoon you eat chocolate. Whoa. Oh, I like chocolate as well. They are so sweet. Okay, so now let's not talk about this one because it's not good for you. It's a beer. So now, baby, let's practice. Tell your tutor what you see in each picture. For example, ice cream.
Ice
So now,
cream.
how about this one? What is this?
Is pizza.
Pizza. Very good. How about this?
Is pasta.
All right, it's a pasta. How about this one?
Is tea.
All right, it's a tea. Okay, so now let's look on to the exercise number 2, which is the vocabulary. Listen and repeat these words and sentences with your tutor. Love.
Love.
I love pasta.
I love pasta.
Like.
Like.
I like pasta.
I like pasta.
Don't mind.
Don't mind.
I don't mind pasta.
I don't mind
Don't like.
pasta. Don't like.
I don't like pasta.
I don't like pasta.
All right. Okay, next. Hate.
Hate.
I hate pasta.
I hate pasta.
Okay, very good. So now, baby, let's practice. Okay, answer the questions by filling in the blanks. Okay, so for example, do you like coffee?
No.
I don't know. I don't like coffee. Okay, so now, how about this one? Do you like coffee?
No. I don't like coffee.
Okay, how about this? Do you like pasta?
I like pasta.
Okay, how about this one? Do you like beer?
I like beer.
Oh, how about do you like salad?
Yes, I like salad.
All right, okay, so now, baby, let's have the exercise
Mm.
number 3, which is the dialogue. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor.
Mẹ
You
ơi, bây
will
giờ
be
con!
Ling. Okay, so now I will be Yunwo and you are going to be Ling. Okay, baby?
Yes,
Okay, ready?
yes.
All right, okay, so do you like pizza, Ling?
No, I hate pizza.
Do you like pasta?
No, I hate pasta.
What foods do you like?
I love ice cream and chocolate. Do you like ice cream and chocolate?
No, I don't.
What food do you like?
I love pizza.
What drink do you like?
I love beer. Do you like beer?
Yes, I love beer.
Right. But for you, Min, do not like beer because that's bad. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So now we have the exercise number 4, which is the matching. tell your tutor the answer that matches the statements or the question. Okay? So we have
Yes.
number 1. What food do you like?
I like ice cream and chocolate.
What drinks do you like?
I like tea and coffee.
All right. I like pizza and ice cream.
What food do you like?
Okay, very good. Yes, I do.
Uh, do you like ice cream?
Okay, very good. What drinks do you like?
I like coffee.
All right. Oh, I don't mind beer.
Do you like beer?
Okay, very good. Okay, high five. Give me high five, baby. High five. Okay, thank you so much. So now let's look at the exercise number 5. So fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. You will be Haruto. Okay, so now, baby, so that you can do it easily, I want you to write your answer first. Then after that one, we are going to read it. Okay, you are going to answer each blanks and you are going to write it first. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please write your answer first, baby, and after that, we will read it. Can you just write?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Are you writing already, or not yet?
Yes.
Oh, what number are you?
I like pizza and
Uh,
pasta.
okay, all
What?
right. So, okay, I will start with the teacher. So, what foods do you like, Haruto?
I like pizza and pasta. What food do you like?
Okay, I like pizza, pasta, and salad.
I like chocolate.
Uh-huh.
Uh, do you like chocolate?
All right. No, I don't like chocolate. I like ice cream.
Do you uh what drink do you like?
Okay. I like coffee. Do you like coffee?
Uh no, I hate coffee.
Okay. So now, wait. Do you like tea?
I no, I hate tea.
Okay, next. What drinks do you like?
I like Coca-Cola.
All right, I like Coca-Cola. Okay, how about you, Mian? What drinks do you like? Okay, how about you? What drinks do you like?
I like smoothie.
Oh, smoothie. How about some Coca-Cola? Do you like Coca-Cola or no?
No,
Oh, no. So you don't like soda?
no.
Oh, why? Why? Can you tell me why? You just don't like it?
Yes, stomachache.
Ah, okay. All right. Okay, so now let's have the ordering. Okay, so put the words into the correct order. For example, you chocolate do like. Do you like chocolate? So now
Mm.
number 1. What is number 1?
Do you like chocolate?
Uh-huh.
I don't. I don't. My pizza.
What? Pizza? Pasta.
Pasta.
Okay. I don't mind pasta. Okay, number 3. How about number 3?
What do you like? What do you drink like?
No, no.
What uh what do you like drink?
No, no.
What you drink?
You stay there, sir.
What you
What? What drinks?
what drink do you like?
Uh-huh.
I hate coffee and tea.
Okay. How about number 5?
What food do you like?
Mm-hmm.
I love pizza and pasta.
Uh-huh. How about number
Uh,
7?
no, I don't like pizza.
All right. How about how about 7 maybe? What's your answer on the number 7 again?
Uh, no, I don't like pizza. I don't like ice cream.
Okay, how about number 8? All right, how about number 8?
Do you do you like coffee and tea?
Okay, very good. All right, so now your turn to ask. Okay, ask your tutor a question about this. Okay, you are going to ask me the question about this one. So you are going to ask me, do you like salad? For example, this. Next is this one, and this one. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you are going to ask me, baby. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. You can
Do you
start now.
do you like salad?
Yes, I like salad.
Do you like pasta?
Yes, I super like pasta.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I also like tea.
Do you like beer?
No, I didn't like beer. Okay, so now read this one as well, baby. 1 and 2. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, please read me this one.
What food do you like?
I like to eat pasta and macaroni.
What drink do you like?
I like shake. Okay, so now, man, your turn to answer. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I do.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I do.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't.
Do you like pizza?
No, I don't.
Okay, so now next. What foods do you like?
I like vegetable.
Okay. What drinks do you like?
I like smoothie.
Okay. All right. So, wow, you're done also with this level. Oh, okay. I'm so proud of you. Okay. So now let's proceed on the 13. What is your daily routine? Okay. How about you, Mean? What is your daily routine, baby? Like, what do you do every day? Do you help clean the house? Do you just go to school? So
Uh,
what
I
do
go
you do every day?
I go to school.
Okay, aside from school, what else do you do?
And is football and study.
Oh, football. So do you always play football?
Yes.
All right. So when was the last time you play football?
Is usually
Every day?
yes.
Oh, wow. So who's with you when you play football? Who do you play with?
Is a friend and teacher.
Ah, a friend and a teacher. So do you play football at school?
Yes,
Ah, I see. So you play football at school with your friends and sometimes with your teacher. Okay, so for tonight, baby, since we do not have much enough time, let's
yes.
just continue the exercise, I mean the lesson 13 on the next class. Okay? All right? Okay, baby? Hello? Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, so let's just continue this one on our next class, okay?
yes.
Okay, so for tonight, mean you did a very solid job. So bye bye and see you again next time.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, good night.